Licorice root, derived from the Glycyrrhiza glaber plant, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, celebrated not only for its distinct sweet flavor but also for its numerous health benefits. Its use spans across different cultures, particularly in Asian and European herbal practices. In this article, we will delve into the various health advantages of licorice root, exploring its medicinal properties, potential health benefits, and considerations for safe use. Understanding licorice root. Licorice root is known for its natural sweetness, which is attributed to glycyrrhizin, a compound that is approximately 50 times sweeter than sucrose. Beyond its flavoring properties, licorice has been used to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from digestive issues to respiratory problems. It is available in several forms, including dried root, powder, extracts, and teas. Nutritional profile. Licorice root is rich in various bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, saponins, and glycyrrhizin. These compounds contribute to its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. The root also contains small amounts of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B6 and magnesium, which can support overall health. Health benefits of licorice root. 1. Digestive health. Licorice root has long been associated with digestive health. It can help soothe the gastrointestinal tract and is often used to treat conditions such as indigestion, heartburn, and gastroesophageal reflux disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of licorice root can help reduce irritation in the stomach lining and esophagus. Moreover, licorice root may aid in the healing of stomach ulcers. The compounds in licorice can stimulate the production of mucus in the stomach, which serves as a protective barrier against stomach acid. Some studies suggest that licorice root extracts may promote the healing of ulcers by increasing the proliferation of gastrointestinal mucosal cells. 2. Respiratory health. Licorice root is a common ingredient in herbal remedies for respiratory conditions. Its expectorant properties help to thin mucus, making it easier to expel from the respiratory tract. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from bronchitis, asthma, and other respiratory issues. Additionally, licorice root has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation of the airways, providing relief for those with chronic respiratory conditions. It can also soothe a sore throat and alleviate coughs, making it a popular choice in cough syrups and throat lozenges. 3. Immune system support. The immune-boosting properties of licorice root are primarily attributed to its antioxidant content. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to chronic diseases. Licorice root has been found to enhance the function of immune cells, promoting a robust immune response. Some studies have shown that licorice root can also possess antiviral properties, potentially helping the body fend off viral infections. It has been researched for its effects against various viruses, including the influenza virus and the human immunodeficiency virus (HIV). 4. Hormonal balance. Licorice root is believed to have a stabilizing effect on hormonal balance, particularly concerning cortisol, a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress. Glycyrrhizin can inhibit the enzyme 11-beta-hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase type 2, leading to increased levels of cortisol in the body. This property may provide benefits for individuals suffering from adrenal fatigue, a condition characterized by low cortisol levels and chronic fatigue. However, it's essential to approach this benefit cautiously, as excessive cortisol can lead to adverse effects. 5. Skin health. Licorice root's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties extend to skin care. It has been used in topical treatments for various skin conditions, including eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Licorice extract can help reduce redness and irritation and promote a more even skin tone. Moreover, the compound liquiritin found in licorice root has been shown to inhibit the production of melanin, making it a popular ingredient in skin lightening products. This can help reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots, contributing to a brighter complexion. 6. Oral health. Licorice root has natural antimicrobial properties that can benefit oral health. Studies have shown that licorice extracts can inhibit the growth of bacteria associated with dental caries, cavities, and gum disease. Chewing licorice root or using licorice-based mouthwashes may help reduce the risk of cavities and promote overall oral hygiene. Additionally, licorice root can help alleviate symptoms of sore throats and can be used as a natural remedy for bad breath due to its antibacterial properties. 7. Stress relief and mood enhancement. Licorice root's ability to modulate cortisol levels may also contribute to its stress relief benefits. By promoting hormonal balance, licorice can help the body better manage stress, leading to improved mood and emotional well-being. Some traditional herbal practices utilize licorice root in formulas designed to enhance mood and reduce anxiety. While more research is needed in this area, the calming effects of licorice root may provide support for individuals facing chronic stress. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a precursor to many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Licorice root's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of these conditions. The flavonoids and saponins present in licorice contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects, making it a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. Safety and considerations. While licorice root offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to use it with caution. Excessive consumption can lead to side effects, primarily due to glycyrrhizin. High doses of glycyrrhizin can cause potassium levels to drop, leading to hypertension, high blood pressure, edema, swelling, and other cardiovascular issues. Individuals with pre-existing health conditions, such as heart disease, kidney disease, or high blood pressure, should avoid excessive licorice consumption. Pregnant women are also advised to limit their intake of licorice root, as it may lead to complications. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding any new herbal supplement to your regimen, especially if you are taking medications or have underlying health conditions. Conclusion. Licorice root is a powerful herbal remedy with a wide range of health benefits. From promoting digestive health and supporting the immune system to aiding respiratory function and enhancing skin health, licorice root has earned its place in traditional and modern medicine alike. However, it is crucial to approach this potent herb with respect and caution, considering the potential side effects of excessive use. As with any supplement, moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare professional ensures safe and effective use of licorice root to support your health and well-being.